Welcome back to this course on Excel for Business Analytics by Dice Analytics. And in this lecture, I am actually going to talk about the paste special command in Excel and the features that actually come with the paste special command. Let's move to an Excel sheet right away where we can actually test all the paste special options. So I have a table over here, and I want to look. I want to copy this. First of all, before that, in fact, the paste special command is actually accessible from the home tab. From this paste drop down over here, you would see paste special. Right now, it's not going to show us all the options that are available because we don't have a selection active. But once we have a selection active, I press Control C, and then I go ahead and go to paste special. So over here, you would see the paste special window pop up, where you would be able to see a number of options. Most of them, some of them, in fact, we have actually already covered in one of our lectures, earlier. But I wanted to actually focus on 3-4 major things that we hadn't covered earlier. First of all, if I want to just copy the comments that I've actually left on a particular cell or bundle of cells, I can actually do that from over here. So in my current selection, I have 2 cells which actually have comments attached to them. If I go ahead and select this option and then press OK, it is actually going to just copy the comments. It's going to leave everything out. So if you just want to look at the comments in compilation that some other colleague of yours has left on the Excel sheet, and you just want to analyze them in isolation, you can actually just look at the comments by copy pasting them, looking at them separately, rather than having to go through the data and the comments together. In addition to that, let's assume that you have a bundle of values. Like this over here, and to these values you want to add these price values. You can also do that by paste special. And how can you do that? You just have to simply select these values, copy them, go into paste special, and then just select add from the operation, and then press OK. So see what happened. What it did was, what paste special did was, it actually took these values and compounded them or added them actually directly into the values that I had over here earlier. So let's try that once again. So I want to add these values into these values. I'm going to select these, and I'm going to press Control C to copy. Then I am actually going to make this selection, and then I'm going to go to paste special. Over here, I'm actually just going to select add, and then voila, it's done. Let's assume that I actually want to use these values. I'm going to use them again, and I want to multiply these values over here with these values. I can actually do the same thing from paste special. Just Control C. I'm going to copy this column. Then I'm going to select this area because I want to actually move these values over here and multiply them. I'm going to go to paste special, and then I'm just simply going to multiply. And you see, it actually does exactly what I intended it to do, and it actually multiplies 2000 with 1 and gives me the answer. Multiplies 2600 with 3, gives me the answer. I multiply 6510 with 4 and gives me the answer. So these are actually really cool tools that you can use if you really want to perform mass operations real quickly and actually change the structure of the data real quickly. So you don't have to actually go ahead and do this on a cell level on like one-to-one basis. You can actually just simply select whatever values you want to multiply with whatever other column, and you can actually perform that action really fairly easily and makes your life a lot easier. So I hope these special options were actually useful for you. There are a lot of other options. You should explore them yourself as well. But I hope these basic options actually get you going. They get you on the way, of searching deeper into what PaySpecial offers. Thank you very much for your time.